Welcome to Instructional Design Mastery, aka Scribe. And my name's Jason Tiedick. I am pumped that you're with me on this program. It is going to be an amazing journey. So excited about what you're about to do. What I've got behind me are the three main sections of this course I'm going to go over in a second. But first, I want to emphasize just what a life changer this is going to be for your instructional design and your curriculum. It is going to change the absolute game for you. The choice you made to join us in Scribe and see all of the trainers and instructional designers that have joined us in Scribe, it's an amazing investment in your career. It's an amazing investment for your curriculum, and your trainees are absolutely going to thank you. This is not one of those instructional design programs that just gives you a bunch of stuff and hopes it's going to get implemented. Because I believe at Rule of the Room that information is not instruction. Learning only happens when you get a behavior change, and we're going to give you a behavior change in three areas: curriculum structural design, curriculum teaching design, and curriculum production. In other words, you're going to learn how to design curriculum in two phases and then how to produce it. You're going to get everything we know about instructional design. We're talking about 3 full days of content, over 16 hours of stuff, over a 400-page book that took me around 10 years to put together. See, here's the problem. There's a problem with most learning. It doesn't get that behavior change to occur, but this program is about real learning, real behavior change, real instructional design, and there's coaching involved from me to you and for all the people that you're going to see on this program, but you're going to get access to my best stuff on how to do curriculum, structural teaching and production of curriculum. You're going to get the best stuff, and so I'm really excited for you. I can't wait to see the difference this is going to make in your instructional design. I can't wait to see the difference it's going to make in your curriculum. And most importantly, the most important thing is your trainees and your trainers. They're going to love you for this. Now, that said, the way this is set up is designed to be followed in order. We want you to start with the curriculum structural design first. You're going to need what's in this section in order to get to this next piece, which is curriculum teaching design, and then to get to curriculum production. You could jump around if you wanted to. And by the way, when we beta tested all this, we had people try jumping around, and they could do it, and they could get some cool stuff. But I'm telling you that it's not set up that way. If you just try to use techniques from one thing to the other without actually getting the foundation for everything that you need, well, I always say it's like throwing the keys to a Ferrari to a 15-year-old that just got their learner's permit. And what you need to do is understand that the things I'm going to teach you in structural design, all of that is going to serve as the foundation, a CDS spreadsheet that we're going to build together that you're going to need for the teaching design, and then you're going to need that for production. So I want you to go in order. Promise me you're going to do that. This isn't just a bunch of random skills that I've put together. This is an entire suite, an entire course that's designed to go from start to finish that is absolutely going to change your life. It's going to change the game. And we're going to pace this out for you. In the next video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of some of the styles you need to know before you get started. The presentation personality style, the learning style, you're going to need those before you start this. And if you don't know those yet, we'll teach you how to do that in a second. But for now, don't worry about that. Just think about right now this journey you're about to embark on. You're about to become an instructional design master. You're about to see real instructional designers just like you go through the same process you're about to go through. And just as it changed their life, it's going to change yours. Because instructional design opens doors for trainers and teachers. And it opens doors for classrooms. Every classroom you touch is going to get changed by what you're going to learn in this program. So I want you to sit back. I want you to get your workbook out. I want you to print it, or at least have an editable PDF that you can use as you go through this. And I want you to get all of the assets that you can download, the CDS spreadsheet, all the things we're going to give you, get them ready. Because when we get started, this is going to be an amazing ride. We'll see you in the next module.